This is a video on how to clean your engine. If it's not terribly dirty, if it's really greasy, you might want to wash it first. But yeah, if it's looking about like this, you can clean it up without hardly having to do any work at all. Everybody's seen this stuff, tire foam. You don't have to do anything. You just open the hood. And load it up. Of course, the more detailed you get about it, the better of a job you're going to get. But my point here is you don't have to do any work at all. You just hose it all down real good. I'm not a very good cameraman. And we can just go to town with it. Battery, everything. Except for, well, oops, you don't want to really hose down the alternator directly. Plenty of it, plenty of it. Now, look it all over, see if I'm happy. I can get a little more here. Use a little more here, a little more there. Not really going to hurt too much. Get a good coat on everything, and that is it. Just sit back and let the stuff do its work. And I'll be back in just a minute after this is dry. Okay, so here we are about an hour later, and maybe 30 minutes, hour, something like that. Whatever, it's not important. And you can see the difference. I'll try to see if I can edit a before and after picture into this, but this is no work at all. All I did was spray this down with tire foam, and it does a really good job on all the black plastics with virtually no work at all. Of course, there's a little bit of dirt here. You know, you can wipe it off. You know, the more work you put into it, of course, the more you're going to get. But if you just want a no hassle, clean up your engine way to do it, use tire foam. And there we go.